This is a question of Bayes' theorem. Since three mutually exclusive events are occurred simultaneously. First of all, we assume that B1, B2 and B3 are the events that the bolt drawn at random are manufactured by the machines M1, M2 and M3 respectively. We also assume that A is the event that the bolt is drawn is defective. In the question, it is given that output 5, 4 and 2% are defective. So we already assume that these are the production values and A is the ball that is drawn defective. So first of all, B1, B2 and B3 are denoted by this percentage value. So you will find out the probability of B1, B2 and B3. %25 can be written down 25 divided by 100. Next is PB2. PB2 is the probability that the ball drawn is manufactured by machine M2. In the question, the value is given 35% and 35% can be written down 35 divided by 100. PB3 will be the probability that the ball drawn is manufactured by machine M3. And the manufactured value is given 40% and 40% we can write down 40 divided by 100. Here the conditional probability concept will be used because again it was given that in the question 5, 4 and 2 respectively are the defective ball. That means these ball are defective drawing from the machines M1, M2 and M3 respectively. And we have already assumed that A be the event that the ball drawn is defective. So first of all we draw the ball and after that we came to know that this ball is drawn from the machine M1, M2 and M3 respectively. So the conditional probability we can write down P A by B1 and it will be probability of drawing a defective ball from the machine M1. And the question is given that the percentage value is 5%. 5% can be written down 5 divided by 100. Therefore, PAB2 will be the probability of drawing a defective ball from the machine M2. In the question, it is given that the value is 4%. 4% can be write down 4 divided by 100. P A by B3. A by B3 will be the probability of drawing a defective ball from the machine M3. In the question, the value is given 2%. 2% can be written down 2 divided by 100. Now we will use the Bayes theorem. From the Bayes theorem, we can write down P B1 by A, because the question is that the probability is manufactured. It was manufactured in the machine M1. That means the defective ball is manufactured in the machine M1. Therefore, the probability will be P B1 by A. A is the event of drawing the defective ball and B1 is the probability of drawing the defective ball from the machine M1. Therefore, the value will be P B1 by A. And from the Bayes theorem, we can write down P B1 into P A by B1 divided by P B1 into P A by B1 plus P B2 into P A by B2 plus P B3 into P A by B3. This is from the Bayes theorem. Now already we have find out all the values. P1, P B1 value we know, P A by B1 B value is known, P B2, P B3 value, A by B2 value, A by B3 value we have already find out. Now substitute all the values to the formula. You will get P B1 value is equal to 25 divided by 100. A by B1 value was 5 into 100. Then write down 25 divided by 100 into 5 divided by 100 plus P B2 value equal to 35 divided by 100 and P A by B2 value is equal to 4 divided by 100. P B3 value equal to 40 divided by 100 into P A by B3 value is 2 divided by 100. Now here from each value we can take the LCM 100 into 100. (25 into 5). Here all the value will be same. 25 into 5 plus 35 into 4 plus 40 into 2. 100 is cancel out. Then the remaining value is 25 into 5 divided by 25 into 5 plus 35 into 4 plus 40 into 2. 25 into 5 is equal to 125. 35 into 4 is equal to 140. Then 40 into 2 is equal to 80. 125 divided by 5, 4, 125 divided by 345. Now 125 and 345 can be divided by 5. It will give you 2, 5 and 6, 9. 25 divided by 69.